I compared Canva and Figma. And honestly, they're both powerful. But they're built for completely different purposes. Canva is the go-to tool for quick, polished designs. It's perfect for social media graphics, posters, thumbnails, presentations, and simple brand materials. The templates are great, the interface is super beginner-friendly, and the AI tools make creating visuals really fast. But Canva isn't ideal for complex UI/UX design or collaborative product development. Figma, on the other hand, is a professional-grade interface design tool. It's built for creating apps, websites, prototypes, and interactive layouts. The real-time collaboration is unmatched. Multiple team members can design together, leave comments, and build components that scale. The downside is that Figma has a steeper learning curve, and it's overkill if you just want to make quick social media posts. The biggest difference is this: Canva is a content creation tool. Figma is a design and prototyping environment. So which is better? If you make marketing materials, run a small business, or need simple visuals quickly, Canva is the easiest and most practical. If you're building apps, websites, or UI systems and need design precision, Figma is the clear winner. It really depends on your workflow.